Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you running your iPhone Face ID can unlock without you knowing. Change these three settings immediately. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. These are three settings on iPhone that can make Face ID unlock even when it's not looking at you. That means anyone who grabs your phone while you are asleep or not paying attention could unlock it in a second without you noticing. So what you can do is, first thing is attention awareness. Go to the settings, inside settings, scroll down and select Face ID and passcode. Then inside select attention and awareness by simply scrolling down and then holding it on. This feature makes the iPhone unlock only when your eyes are actually looking at the screen. If it's turned off, anyone could bring the phone close to your face while you're sleeping and unlock it. Second thing is require attention for Face ID. Toggle this on as well. This one is very important. It prevents Face ID from unlocking if you're distracted, spaced out, or even if someone tries to force you to look at the screen. Third thing is Face ID with marks. Simply scroll down and then toggle this on. This feature is useful when you're wearing a mask, but if you don't wear masks often, it's better to turn it off so it doesn't increase the chances of unlocking by mistake. Why are these settings important? Not out of fear or exaggeration, but because privacy is your responsibility. These settings are built into the phone and add a real extra security, and a lot of people don't even notice them. Imagine someone unlocking your phone while you are sleeping on the couch and you don't feel a thing. That's why you should enable these steps right now. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. If this video was useful to you, leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.